teachers. My name is Менің and I'm an English teacher from the secondary school named after bir kahramançı. The theme of the lesson is sports legends. The learning objectives that this lesson is contributing to is use speaking and listening skills to solve problems creatively and cooperatively in groups. Understand with little or no support the main points of extended talk and a wide range of general and curricular topics. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a range of general topics and some curricular topics. Lesson objectives are understand the topic about identifying people, recognize key phrases for identifying people, apply topic-related vocabulary in speech, create and act out their own point of view on the topic. To revise our memory from last lessons, I invite you to do this exercise. Who wants? Ashkan, Shrai, come please.
A game or skill set is played with the people with a sword or foot.
Yes,
A copper martial art which was originally developed in Japan.
A combat sport played by two people with rollers in an competitive outdoor sport play with a bat and ball between two opposite teams.
Cricket, yes. Okay, thanks. Take a place.
I use the prediction method to guessing the new theme.
Basketball,
Yes.
swimming,
Yes.
volleyball, bike,
Golf,
badminton,
football,
tennis,
basketball,
volleyball,
Tennis.
yes,
Yes.
football,
Nancy Kamkhan.
Robert Pegasus,
Yes.
Shakespeare,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the general name of these words?
Sport.
Sport and sport legends. Okay, you are right. Do you have a favorite sport?
yes,
Yes.
I like volleyball.
Yes, you
I
are
like
volleyball.
basketball.
Basketball.
I like football.
I love. You like boxing. Okay.
I like volleyball and karate.
Good. Okay, children, let's watch the video. Sporting legends.
Core E, exercise 2, page 49.
Sporting legends. Dmitry Balendin, Kazakhstan's famous weightlifters, boxers and wrestlers have won countless Olympic medals for their country. But in 2016, a young athlete came out of nowhere to win a gold medal in a completely different sport. Born in Almaty in 1995, Balendin won 3 gold medals in the breaststroke events at the 2014 Asian Games. However, when he arrived at the 2016 Rio Olympic Games, he wasn't one of the favorites for the 200-meter breaststroke, and he almost didn't qualify for the final. Against all odds, the determined swimmer surprised everyone by winning the first ever gold medal in swimming for Kazakhstan. Since then, it was clear that Dmitry Balendin was one of the most talented swimmers to come out of Kazakhstan. Adam Peaty. When Adam Peaty was a child, he was terrified of water and would scream whenever he had to go in the bath. No one knew that this young boy from Staffordshire in England would grow up to be a record-breaking swimmer. But that's exactly what happened in the Rio 2016 Olympic Games. When Peaty arrived at the Games, but even more amazingly, in the final he beat his own record and won the gold medal for Great Britain with a record time of 57.13 seconds.
There is a new vocabulary. Let's listen and repeat.
Breaststroke. Competition. Competitive. Countless. Determined. Heat. Medal. Record breaking. Set a world record.
words.
After watching the video, learners make a poster and speak about sporting legends Adam Peaty and Dmitry Balandin.
My poster is about Adam Peaty. His country, England, record-breaking summer, sports, swimming and medals, for Great Prix with the record time of 57.30 seconds. My post is about Dmitry Balandin. What sport? Swimming. Where is he from? Is he from Almaty? Record 200 meters. His medals, gold medals.
To fix all the materials about sport and sport legends, I offer you to take a quiz.
Which of the following is a synonym of weird? A. Popular. B. Fast. C. Strange. D. Talented. Great! The correct answer is read and complete. The players in Quidditch try to throw the ball through A. Pitch. B. Net. C. Hoop. D. Broomstick.
Yes.
Great! The correct answer is hoop. Read and complete. Watch out. You A. are falling. B. are going to fall. C. fall. D. will fall. Yes, the correct answer is are going to fall. Read and complete. We use our skeletal muscles when we A. digest food. B. lift weights. C. pump blood. D. read. Great! The correct answer is
Okay, learners, there is a differentiation task. You should mark the statements with DB, there is for Dmitry Balandin, and AP, Adam Peaty, okay?
Evet. He sürpriz. John. Will he win a gold medal?
Who is? Okay, the next.
One.
Second is.
Sir. Sir.
Okay, take a seat. I have the please. Okay, and the last one. Okay, thank you. Let's check. Let's play a game. I invite you to hear. The game is place water. Who wants? Get some alcohol, please. This sport is played on a large open field where players can only use their feet to kick a ball into a goal. Yes. This sport is played by throwing a ball down an alley. If you hit down all 10 pins, you get a strike. Bowling, yes. A game for 2 or 4 persons played by striking a tennis ball with a racket over a net stretched across a wild corner. No? Tennis, yes. Next. No? Tennis, yes.
At the end of a lesson, learners giving feedback by sending a text message on a chat.
Okay, learners, it's time to conclusion. Your home task is to write a short essay, My Favorite Sportsman. The lesson is over. Goodbye.